So as we have finished one unit in paper 4, paper 5, I'm going to start paper 6. So what is the title of paper 6 is Statistical Quality Control and Reliability. As I discussed earlier, paper 5 is common core. No change in the paper 5 during examination. So paper 5 means obviously they will give the same paper to all. Coming to paper 6, you should check after receiving the question paper, you should check your question paper whether it is SQC or not, because as I said you, for all these optionals like mathematics, statistics or computer science, paper 6 is an elective paper. So you'll in the syllabus paper also you have under paper 6 you have 3 options A, B, C, different options. Different colleges will choose different papers. We have selected SQC as our elective paper. So don't be in hurry to answer the question paper after receiving it. Just check whether the question paper you received is SQC or not. Okay, this is about your paper, a question paper checking. Now let us come to paper 6. Like paper 5, paper 6 also consists of 3 units. Okay, and it's question paper you will get for 60 marks and 25 marks for practical, and you'll have internal also here for 20 marks. 60, 20, 25, these are the theory, practical, internal. Now the first unit consists of under SQC, statistical quality control, assignable and chance causes, mean chart, range chart, all those comes under first unit. In the second unit you have control charts for attributes like number of defectives, P chart, NP chart, C chart, and they only have certain definitions like AQPL, APT and all. In unit 3 you have under unit 3 you have reliability. Okay, first unit and second unit are dependent on SQC. Third unit depends on the third unit is related to reliability. So let us see what are the first lines of this first unit you have. The first unit comprises of certain topics related to what is SQC. Okay, what is SQC and what is SQC? Wait for a minute. SQC is termed as statistical quality control. Okay, statistical quality control. And in the first unit you have importance of SQC, dimensions of quality, statistical basis for Shewhart charts, construction of control charts for mean, range and standard deviation, and also for attributes P, NP charts. So here the first unit consists of introduction to SQC. What is SQC? What are the basis for SQC? What are the control charts? Now let us see what is SQC. Statistical quality control is termed as SQC, which means statistical quality control. SQC, it's short form for SQC. Now let us see what is we have different terms here. You know that statistics means to test the to identify whether the product is under quality control or not. We are going to use certain statistical techniques. Before going to that, let us define certain terms like quality. What do you mean by quality? What do you mean by quantity? Quantity indicates the physical measurement or the numerical measurement of any object. Quality indicates the qualitative characteristics. Now, if you take any chalk piece, see this class is entirely explanation. If you take any chalk piece, okay, before buying it or any pen or anything, before purchasing any unit, you are going to check its quality. Okay, what do you mean by then quality? quality indicates, before purchasing a chalk piece, you are going to check whether the chalk piece is up to the standards you are expecting or not. Like if you want to buy a chalk piece, you are going to collect two pieces from a box, and you are going to check whether that chalk piece has the required strongness or not. Okay, that is one of the dimensions you are expecting from its quality. Similarly, whether it has the darkness in writing or not, means to check the quality of chalk piece, you are putting some dimensions like strongness, okay, and while writing its darkness, okay, means quality. Then if these two are reached, you are going to say that the quality of chalk piece is okay. Means quality indicates the attribute of fitness of its use. Quality of an object indicates that fitness of its use. Yes, it is ready to use. Similarly, if you are going to purchase, let us say that if you are going to purchase, this is the next one. So let us take these SQs are mainly related to the business and economics studies. Now, let us say that there is a manufacturing industry which produces a number of electric fans. Okay, it is producing a number of electric fans, manufacturing unit. Daily it produces, let us say that roughly it produces 500 number of electric fans. So before they are released into the market, okay, after this is the stage of production stage, okay, after the production it reaches to the market. Before reaching the market, they are going to check the quality. I think once, not only any industry, before releasing their products to the market, it goes for quality test. Once the quality of the particular fan is up to the mark, they are going to release for the market. Okay, now means quality is a word related to the attribute of fitness for its use, means whether it is fit to use or not. Means once the it is producing 500 units per day, we cannot say, if you take it depends upon the lifetime of the electric fan. The lifetime of the electric fan you need to check. They will have like that, every electric fan has a lifetime of 100 hours. Okay, it is their target. Whatever electric fans they are producing, all should have a minimum of 100 lifetime, 100 hours of lifetime. Now to check, before releasing for market, they are going to pick up one or two fans. Again, means we are using the sampling here. They are going to pick up 2 or 3 electric fans from this. They are going continuously, they will put in running. Okay, whether they'll continuously put it running for 5 or 6 days. After that, they'll check that how many fans reached 100 hours of lifetime, how many fans have failed in reaching 100 hours of lifetime. They are testing the lifetime of the each fan. So if the lot out of the selected sample, majority fans, if reaches the required lifetime of the electric fan, they releases all these 500 to the market. Means there is a lot of, you are going to test the quality. Here after testing is done, you are going to conclude that the process whichever is undergoing is under quality control. So to decide this, we are going to use statistical concepts called probability and sampling. Okay, this statistical quality control gives assurance for any manufacturing unit or any process, to say that whether it is under statistical control or not, by using the techniques of probability, sampling. By using probability, sampling. So statistical quality control refers to the statistical techniques, important statistical techniques in industry, which are used to conclude or to check whether the process is under statistical control or not. So what do you mean by quality? Just now I said you that quality is nothing but it's not a variable, it's an attribute that indicates its fitness for use. So Once after these probability and sampling techniques are used, you are going to decide whether the process is under statistical control or not. If the process is under statistical control, they are released to the market or the second phase. If it is not under, if it is out of statistical control, you are going to make the changes to reach the quality control. Now, we are focusing on the word called quality. What does this quality depend? This quality depends upon four factors called 4 M's. What are these 4 M's? Which is nothing but, if you want to produce fan, okay, it depends upon first one, the material which we are using. A good quality of material is going to give a good quality of the fan so produced. Similarly, the second M it depends upon is nothing but the quality of manpower. So what do you mean by manpower? Whatever the workers we are, the services of workers, whatever we are utilizing, we call that as manpower or the labor. Efficient or skilled manpower are going to produce more number of fans with less defectives. Okay. Similarly, the third one is nothing but quality of machines. Machines is nothing but whatever the machinery equipment we are using should be under good control, like breakers if you have power shortage, or if the machine breakdowns or the machine fails for each and every term, we are going to get very bad quality of the fan so produced. Next one is nothing but quality of management. So all these depends upon the quality of the management. So management are nothing but the administrative or the managers or the higher officials who supervise all these are called the management. If the management is good, or if the ideas of if the implementation of the management is good, then you are going to get a good output of the industry. Again I will discuss. You have discussed what is quality. What is the purpose of SQC? Under SQC, you are going to use certain techniques called which are statistical, called probability and sampling, to give an idea whether the process is under statistical quality control or out of statistical control. If the process is under statistical quality control, we are going to proceed to the next step called marketing. If not, you are going to make the changes to achieve to the standards of the product. Now, then what does this quality depends upon? This quality of any product majorly depends upon 4 M's. Very important question. What are those 4 M's? Means the quality of material which you are using, the quality of manpower which you are utilizing, the quality of machines you are utilizing, and the quality of management. Let us discuss what is this quality of material. Obviously, the quality of good material is going to lead products in good quality. Okay, so let us say that if I take bad means less quality raw material, I am going to get defective items. Similarly, manpower means trained and qualified persons will increase the efficiency due to the better production. Similarly, the machines, better quality of the equipment will result in the efficient work. So if you have machines with defectives, I think the running time of the machine is going to disturb the quality of the product. The fourth one is nothing but management. A good management helps in increasing the efficiency of the product. Means the one who speaks very politely or with good manners is going to maintain good relations with the other, and you are going to get good marketing for those. So if I see in general, I will tell you. Management means, say if you take your college, okay, if the management comes under maybe like your principal or vice principal or any other lecturers or administrative staff, whenever you face with a particular problem, when you approach them, if they are smooth handling, means your problem will be solved at the earliest stage, and so that the running of the number of admissions or the growth of the college will be good. If the management is somewhat different, it behaves in a different way which is neglecting the problems of the students, obviously going to get negative results on their capacity. Means the management, means the decisions of the management, or the way the harmony in relations are going to help the business and growth. Means these four are generally affects the quality of any item, that may be a pen, that may be an electric fan, or anything. We have discussed what is SQC. When do you say the process is under quality control, out of control, what is quality, and on what factors this quality depends. Thank you.